Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to make sentences. So these are the few words I have written. So let's start. Let's make sentences with these words. Okay. So first word is beautiful. So let's see what sentence we can make with beautiful. So Nancy is a beautiful girl. Okay. So we made Nancy is a beautiful girl. We have used beautiful in this sentence. The same way, the second word is intelligent. We have to make sentences using these words, okay? So my friend is very intelligent. Okay, we have used intelligence in the sentence. Third word is hurry. So let's see. Hurry up. We are getting late. Fourth word is fruit. So mango is a fruit. So these are very simple sentences, okay? Mother. My mother loves cooking. So next word is favorite. So what sentence we can make with favorite? English is my favorite subject. The next word is family. The sentence we made from family is my family is very loving. Next word is day. It is a pleasant day. Freedom. India got freedom on 15 August 1947. The last word is country. So India is a vast country. So I hope you like these videos. Thanks for watching.